All right, so we definitely have to talk about it. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with Tactical Solutions. I hope that you guys are all having an amazing day. I'm actually going to be buying a couple of more shares here. I've been trading AMC actually quite aggressively just due to the news of how active. Today, it's actually making sense on why AMC is trading higher today. You guys know that one of the things that I always love to talk about is when opportunity does present itself, it is our job to take advantage of it. I'm not too sure if you guys heard the news, but AMC has been on a rally, right? Went from $9. This is like its second biggest rally. It was the most traded stock last week during like Wednesday or Thursday. It outbeat Tesla. And there's just a lot of eyes, a lot of attention on it. It grew 120% in 1 week. It hit all-time highs, I believe it was last Friday. And I decided to partake a little bit on the action at one point today. Again, I would not recommend this for anyone, but I had a little bit over 10,000 shares of AMC at one time. I've obviously reduced it as I actually sold the majority of my shares right around 31.50, 31.60, around that general area. It shot up right after. I only had 1,000 shares at the time, so I just kept it. It pulled on back, and it looks like it's finding a support, so I just bought 500 more shares, and I'm having fun with it. One of the things that we always love to encourage you to do is put yourself in a position to succeed. Obviously, this is a risky stock. Let's not sugarcoat it, right? But if you choose to take advantage of it, then do it in a way in which you can tolerate. Do it with a dollar amount that, if it does pull back, as it likely can, it doesn't devastate you. But the news that has been shared today is AMC raised money, and the way that they raised money is they locked like funds at really inexpensive prices based off of previous trading price. I think one of their biggest funding was right around $9, and they raised like $420 million. And they did a second round, I believe, at an average purchase price of like $27. And all you have to take into consideration is like, wait, why is AMC like selling their shares in a private placement? That just sounds very confusing. All I can say is from what I've read from those articles, and please share your opinion down in the comment section, is this Wall Street Bets people selected AMC as a random stock that was getting aggressively shorted, right? It shot the price up, and now this is the first time that I've seen, I think this is why there's so much attention on AMC and not in any of the other pump stocks, because AMC, the actual company, is doing things to allow it to kind of like set its future self up for success. Why was AMC doing bad, right? Why was it doing very, bad the past couple of months in the past year, right? The pandemic, no question about it. And as it went through that dry spell, obviously there's an opportunity for short sellers. They're getting now short squeezed, meaning that there's more people shorting it than there were buying it. Now this whole Wall Street Bets movement came into place, and they're trying to short squeeze these people out. Now AMC as a company and the CEO decided to take advantage of these higher prices, because let's be honest, right? If the opportunity presents itself, why wouldn't you sell your shares when you were at, previously $4 and now you're trading at $30, $31? Why wouldn't you do your part to set the future of your company for success? So they're liquidating some of their shares to raise capital, to become more liquid, to if they choose to want to develop more theaters, right? If they want to have just more cash on hand to be able to sustain another pandemic or whatever it is that they choose to do to be liquid enough to have enough capital to sustain themselves, right? Especially during such a devastating and unfortunate time, it 100% makes sense on why AMC and the company and the CEOs and just all the partners decided to make this move. They took advantage of this unreal opportunity of this short squeeze, and you are correct, it could be in the very early stages of it potentially still pushing up, right? But taking advantage of this short squeeze and setting the future of this company up for success. And what is it that you need? Capital. And they were able to raise that capital just because of the momentum and the relevance of the stock. So I thought that was rather unique. That's why I decided to aggressively, take advantage of the opportunity today, as well as a little bit on Friday. And I've been enjoying it. I don't want to hold a very large position overnight. I'm not going to do that. Obviously, it just comes with the territory. A greater form of risk comes with a greater form of opportunity. But that's just not the position that I want to put myself in. One of the things that I'm looking for as of right now is I want to see if it holds above SMA line. I want to see if we break above EMA. If we do and we begin to make higher highs, I'll add more. I'll probably buy another 1,500 shares right away. And then I'll write it back to, if it makes new highs or approaches previous highs. I'm just having fun with it. I'm up a certain dollar amount on the day already that, I'm just taking it as it kind of comes and goes. So I wanted to update you guys on what I learned about AMC. I thought the move that they made today was super impressive. And if I was in the same position as the CEO, let's be honest, right? If you were in charge of this company, I'm sure a lot of you guys would agree that you would do the same for the sake of your company. But yeah, I think it's super interesting. Let's follow up with it. At the end of the day, all we ever are here to encourage you to do is to approach every trade, every opportunity with a plan. You should never be told what to do. You should never be told where to buy, sell, cut losses. It should all be something that you have planned out before you enter a trade, with your position size, with your ideal lock in profits, where you plan to reduce position, where you plan to overall just cut losses. If it doesn't go according to plan, let's have fun with it, but let's do it with proper structure. So I wish you guys nothing but the best. Continue working hard, continue following dreams, let your passion be a driver to success. And if you're someone that's looking forward to AMC success, make sure you drop a thumbs up and maybe consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. So I appreciate you guys' time. We'll see you tomorrow for our live trading session. And if you want to join us, click that second link in the description, and we'll see you tomorrow at Market Open. Until then, like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.